Hello students, today we will study about landforms and the pupil. The different landforms on earth define the way humans inhabited the planet. Different landforms affect the way of living of human being in different area. There are mountains, plains and valleys which are a result of shifting tectonic plates and fault line. Different landforms are formed due to different processes. These processes are caused due to the internal and external force of the earth, mainly because of the internal force. In mountains, the area is fresh and both flora and fauna. The word flora means vegetation. It includes all types of trees and plants. And fauna means different types of animals, different species of animals. In mountain, the air is fresh and both flora and fauna coexist in harmony. But these are cold and experience heavy and frequent rainfall. The climatic conditions are not too conducive for livelihood. There are many mountain areas where climate are extremely cold, which are not so suitable for livelihood. It is exactly the opposite on the plain, but there is opposite on the plain. There are numerous and varied work opportunities. In plain area, different work opportunities are available. Houses, roads and buildings can be constructed easily on the plain. In hilly area, because of the rugged topography, because of the uneven landforms, because of the high mountains, network of roads and railways are not so good. There is no network of railways, only we can find roads. But in the plain area, a good network of roads and railways are found. Buildings can be constructed easily on the plain, but it is very difficult in the mountain region. Farming is comparatively easier in the plain region. In mountainous region, steppe-like farming is done, which is very difficult. Both land and water are being used in various ways by humankind. Nowadays, a large part of both the resources is being misused and wasted. Day by day, population of human beings are increasing. As a result, the demand of land and water is also increasing, which causes to the overexploitation of these resources. These resources are being misused and wasted. What do you think will happen if we continue doing this? There will be no water and all the land would gradually means slowly become a wasteland. Wasteland means the land which is not suitable for growing crops. So if there will be no water, the land will become wasteland. We have to and need to make a conscious effort in working towards a healthier and greener earth. So we have to take different steps to keep our earth healthy and green. In this chapter 6, we have studied about how different landforms are formed. There are two processes which form landforms: exogenic and endogenic. Endogenic means inside the earth surface, like earthquake, volcanoes. Exogenic force means like wind, rain, ice, which work outside the earth's surface. There are three major types of landforms: mountains, plateaus and plains. Again, these landforms are subdivided into different types. Like there are three divisions of mountain: fold mountain, block mountain and volcanic mountain. After that, we have studied about the importance of mountain. The next landform is plateau. There are different divisions of plateau, like intermountain plateau, lava plateau and crustal plateau. After that, we have studied about importance of plateau. After plateau, we have studied about plain. Three subdivisions of plain, like tectonic plain, erosional plain and depositional plain.